He's in the Philippines now. Wow! Be careful. Hello! Nakasapatos yung ating Jack. First time ni Jack nagsapatos. Color blue. Nagtanong pala sa akin kung yung lot na sinabi ko yung bininda sa amin sa Philippines. I think yung iba hindi nakakapanood kaya nagsusulat sila ng comment kung napasa amin na ba daw yung lot na yun. Yes, binili na po namin yung land na yun and hopefully we can see it in person. And excited kami makita yung lupain na yun dahil medyo malaki na talaga siya. More than 300 square meters daw yun siya. Nakausap ko yung owner ng land. I think ipapa-fence namin yung murahin lang siguro na fence. I don't know what's the plan. Gusto namin siyang ipa-fence talaga yung lahat ng area na yun. Kay Jack yun, kay Jessica at Jenny. Uwi ka Pilipinas, hanap ka girlfriend?
Baya.
I'm Bea. Good morning! Maaga kami today kaya we have to collect something. Nandito yung aking driving license.
Wait, you have a driving license in
Yes. Kaya kailangan ko ito ipakita doon sa aking binilhan ng gadget na naman ng inyong Inday. Grabe kakalas. Nagbili ako ng another gadget na naman dahil I have a plan to do. Magagamit ko yun sa paparating natin na mga gagawin sa buhay. Inday, malamig tayo today.
You wearing gloves.
I-try ko kung magkasya itong aking phone dito.
Mommy, look.
Ay!
Mommy,
Bongga.
look.
Yes. Kasya pala. Oh, it's nice, anak. Sobrang ano niya. Ganda. So, where's the wet wipes lang? Aalis kami dahil si Jack din is meron siyang appointment but later on pa yun. Pupuntahan ko lang muna yung aking i-collect. Hey, hi!
Please, I wanna have a hug.
Naglilikramo na yan. Ayaw niya na magpakiss, magpahag sa kanyang mga sister.
Can I have a hug?
Say hi, Jack!
Can I have a hug?
Kagalit siya. Ang mukhaan ko ni JJ o buhok, kailangan ko yan siyang suklayan ng maayos.
You mean that ring?
It's a ring.
What does it do?
I don't know.
Wait, design hat.
Ganda ng MacBook Pro.
Why are you
Wow.
closing it?
I like that. How much is it?
It doesn't, I don't know.
1,000? 3,000? All the iPhones are here. Ito yung gusto ko sana bilhin, oh, yung watch. iPhone is that?
16.
How about the other one?
And this one is 16 plus.
Is it?
And this one is, can I pick it up yet?
Lots of scooters.
Like this one is small.
Ang dami nilang air fryer. 169 siya, nak.
Is this a coffee thing?
No, it's for,
Wait, is it an oven?
you know when mommy cooks some fried chicken and stuff? For air frying.
This is a coffee
Wow,
thing.
that's for the coffee thing. This one. 24 lang?
24 pounds.
Is it 24?
I think, I don't know.
I think. Wow, TV. Oh my gosh, look at the size of the TV.
So, is that bigger than ours?
Yes, this one's bigger than ours.
Only
problems. I thought we could fix them, but we got tired. There's nothing left to do but to say goodbye and try to move on. I'll get
Some have.
you one wish that I
Do you like
Is
it?
it cold in there?
No, it's not.
Why?
Na-amaze ang dalawang mga bata. Uy! Ay, kapud-amaze mo ka diha. Yeah? Imong dimple, oh. Na-amaze po di ka diha. Papunta kami ngayon dito sa loob ng Tesco. Pasyal ko lang itong dalawa at mamili siguro kami. Sorry?
About the escalator. Yes.
Escalator?
I like going on that.
Do you? Tawag nito. We're early. We can stroll around.
Oh, it doesn't work. Don't work. It doesn't
Broke, I think.
What's it?
Yeah, it's a notebook. But it's a squeeze one.
How about mine?
Yeah?
Wait, I hear it.
Sila yung nagbitbit kasi wala kaming basket. Ayan, nakabili ako ng itlog.
Can I put some water here?
Okay.
Actually, no, the orange.
Dito kami sa health center. Last vaccine ata to ni Jack. Tulog na tulog yung madaming tao. Behave naman ang aking dalawang kids. Shall we open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, here we go. And ito po yung laman ng aming drone.
Can we build it? No.
So, there.
Hello.
That's the manual. And you know what? Hoy, you carefully watch it. Ito po yung aming drone. Ano po yan siya? DJI.
Is it charging?
Yes.
Oh yeah, camera's good. Is this a camera drone?
Yeah.
Oh, camera
So?
doesn't.
Battery. Maon na to siya.
Doesn't need charging. Yeah, what? Yeah.
So, how to operate?
Hey, let me see.
Charge it, anak.
How do you?
Uh-oh. Brave boy daw ang kanilang kapatid. Sobrang tapang ni Jack. Pagdating sa mga injection, hindi siya masyadong umiiyak. Nagkain na naman ng kamay. Cannot set it up today. Kay need siya i-charge bago siya gamitin. So, mag-aantay na lang kami na makauwi sa bahay. Ah, gamisin ang inyong inday. Ay, maganda yung view dito.
Look at this.
Nice.
Why so
They're complaining, pagod daw sila maglakad dito. Kaya ayaw nila maglakad dito kay pagod na pagod daw sila. Show me? That's so nice. Where did you get that?
It was on the floor.
Is it? Wow. Mas gusto niyo ba ang park walk or grocery? That's okay. 1, 2, 3, go! Oh, sige, para hindi magreklamo na sobrang pagod na daw sila. Ako yung nagtutulak kay Jack. Okay lang ba si Jack? Okay lang. Ang mga... I'm out of breath. 1, 2, 3, go! Nag-swing ang mga bata ni Inday Elgin. Patay! Nak! You okay? Okay. Nahulog.
people standing, still dancing when the lights come on. The music is fading, but this is our favorite part. I used to feel like an outcast, but I think I'm alright after all. Cause you make me feel like I belong. You like me from me without all of the glitter.
Ay, time to go home. We have 1 hour remaining. Sayang naman, hindi nagamit lahat. So next time, 3 hours is enough. 4 hours kasi yung nabuko. Get the fruits. Pagpasensyaan nyo na, I keep repeating this one kay Igang. Very hot, very hot. Tortang talong for tonight. Ito yung ulam ni Inday. Bakit man yan, Nona? Sobrang sarap man ang ulam kong tortang talong. Chika ba? Very good news. Talaga ako nakatulog-tulog dahil inaabangan ko talaga yung kanilang love story ba. Kanyang jowa na Afam. He's in the Philippines now. So sobrang happy namin, as in sobrang happy ko talaga na as in nakita ko yung video nila together, pictures nila together dahil nakaka-relate kasi ako pag long distance relationship. Unya, nag-decide yung lalaki na pupunta doon sa amin. So ngayon, he's in the Philippines kasama yung sister ko. Basta, yun na. I'm so happy na he's in the Philippines with my sister. They see each other. Nagbanding na sila ngayon. And happy ako para sa aking sister dahil sa daming listahan ng heartbreak niya. At last and finally, nag-meet na sila ng kanyang Afam na sobrang mabait talaga, sobrang mabait, caring, sweet. Parang nasa kanya na lahat. Provider, as in, grabe yun siya nga pagkalalaki ba. Tapos ngayon, hindi siya nagtagal na mag long distance sila. Binisitan niya talaga yung aking kapatid. But anyways, ugma na ta magmarites o madami kay tugon ako guys. Good night.